Jesus.
Hello, sir. I'm done with the house now. Send me my money.
Have you done with the house?
Yes. Immediately you send the money, they will bring lights. I have wired it finished.
Okay, no problem.
Yes.
Have you test the house?
Just pay. There is
Okay, no problem.
yes.
Since we have done,
Yes.
send the account number. Let me
Ah.
forward.
Let me send you my account number.
Send the account number. Let me forward.
Yes, let me forward it. My money is 200k, yes. Hello? Yes, okay, I have forwarded it.
Okay.
I have forwarded it.
See it.
Yes.
Small
Yes.
time you receive your money.
Sharp. Let me call Nepa people. Hello? Yes, bring the lights. Yes, bring the lights. Yeah.
Jesus. 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 Who sent you?